Baby, you're on a sugar rush right now. Too much ice cream, baby. Let you burn off that ice cream, okay? Let you burn off that ice cream. Where do you want to walk to? You want to walk? Let's walk. Where do you want to walk to? Tell me where you want to walk to. Because obviously you're on a sugar high. And we ain't going to be able to get nowhere until you off of it. Crying baby and sugar high does not mix. Where you want to go? Huh? Where are you pointing to? Huh? You didn't want your nine-nine? Man, you're too heavy.